Hey, good morning. It's Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2022 Chrysler Voyager. You can see here with the key fob, I can operate both power sliding doors and the rear trunk hatch. This is a brand new rear entry conversion. I can operate this entire conversion using just two fingers. I pinch and I flip. It's got a handle on either side. Again, I pinch and I flip, and I can take this ramp to the ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers, if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate that 34-inch wide ramp with ease. That's 4 inches wider than most side entries, so if you're looking to haul a bigger chair or chairs, this rear entry might be the answer for you. Now, if someone parks next to you in a side entry van, you cannot get out in your wheelchair. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry also have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. A few of the advantages to the rear entry, but we do sell side entry, we sell full size vans, we even sell trucks and SUVs. If you don't see it on our website, we've probably got it coming up, so give me a call, I'll let you know. 800-pound weight capacity. You got about 56 inches of headroom coming inside the van, then about 56 once you're inside the van. And this deep cut canal on these Chryslers is about a foot more length than both the Toyota and the Dodge. So if you're looking to haul 2 chairs at a time, that extra foot would come in handy. So keep that in mind, might be the answer for you. Got the 8 tie-down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here. We also have the gurney kit, so it's all ready to take a gurney. That's big money if you're a transporter. Got the upgraded Q-strength tie-downs in there. And if you want to do this for wheelchairs, you can simply unscrew 3 knobs here. You can have this handle out and the antlers out there in a matter of seconds. Go 2 wheelchairs, back to gurney, back and forth. These are a money maker. It's got your cup holders in the back. Headliner looks great, rear air controls. I got about 26 inches of room between those seats. We can even put a third row flip base seat in here if we need to. We can put seats that flip up on their side. You let us know your measurements. You let us know how many people you're hauling. You let us help customize this van to meet your needs. Got your warranty and instructions there as well. Now, a lot of our competitors are going to charge you $600 to $800 to upgrade to these tie downs and charge you a couple $1,000s to put that in. We've already got these installed for free and no additional charge to you. Got your cup holders there, plug-ins for all your electronics. Dual climate control, rear air, got your backup camera, dash is in great shape, no cracks or holes in the dash, and you got your steering wheel controls so you can keep your eyes on the road and sync up your phone there. And then you can shut all the doors up here as well if you choose on the center console up top. As we exit the vehicle, we just simply reverse the process. One finger, check it out, super simple to do. Now, our conversion comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty. By the way, got our spare tire back there, you can see it in the pictures. 3-year unlimited mile warranty. Now, our competitors are going to tell you they have a better built conversion than we do. You can shut the trunk lid right there and tell you have a better built conversion than we do. I want you to ask them what their warranty is. Some of them are going to tell you 1 year, 12,000 miles. Some are going to say no warranty. Some are going to say 3 years, 36,000 miles. I want you to compare those numbers to our 3 years unlimited miles. You tell me who has the better built conversion. As I continue to walk around to the van, it's got the alloy wheels. All these tires are about 8 to 9 30-seconds, so they're not brand new, but they're not far from it. Good tires on the van. Now I'm looking for a dent or a scratch in this van. I'm not going to say it's perfect, but it's very clean, very well taken care of. It's a nice looking van. Now, you hear me talk all the time how we can save you 5 to 10 grand on your next wheelchair accessible van. How we do it simple. It's low overhead. We have one central location right here in Wichita, Kansas. Allows us to do free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states. Obviously, saves you money. I want you to imagine our competitors with 10, 20, 50 stores. I want you to imagine all their overhead they have compared to our one store. That's millions of dollars a month they have to spend that we don't have to spend. That's how we beat their prices by so much. There's no magic trick to it. It's simply low overhead. And no matter who you do business with, get a video of the VIN number. And why I say that, on Facebook Marketplace is the main spot, the dirtiest place in the world to buy a vehicle, Facebook Marketplace. I'm not lying to you. They'll take pictures of my vans, they'll cut out my sign up there, and they'll put a van like this, $20,000 on the internet, send me a $2,000 deposit to hold it. Well, they're trying to scam you. They don't even have these vans in their possession. They're simply stealing pictures. Facebook won't stop it. It's a dirty business. Sorry about that, but I don't control that. So tell them you want a video. My name is Jeremiah Coleman. I own Affordable Mobility Solutions. I've got this van here in my possession. They couldn't make that video I just made for you, right? That 10-second clip, because they don't have these vans. Protect yourself. Take 10 dang seconds and get you a video to make sure they actually have the van in their possession. All right, what we do with every single one of our vehicles, we run a Carfax on it before we buy it. You can see on this van, one owner, no accidents or damage, last owned as a rental vehicle in nice salt rust-free Florida. A lot of people say stay away from rental vehicles. I would agree if it's a sports car I don't think too many people go rent minivans to hot rod them. It means highway miles. That's a good thing. Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is one owner, clean title, no accidents. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never deployed, odometer's accurate, no accidents or damage, and no open recalls. And Carfax does show the vehicle went into service October 31st of 2022 on Halloween, meets the specs to be under the full bumper-to-bumper factory warranty from Chrysler until October 31st, 2025, or 36,000 miles, whichever comes first. And then also meets the specs to be under the full powertrain warranty from Chrysler until October 31st, 2027, or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first. So good warranty left on the vehicle. And no matter who you do business with, find them online, check out their reputation and reviews. Look at us on eBay, 1,574 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback. I'd say that qualifies for a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. Check us out on here, 4.8 out of 5-star reviews, 326 reviews. We have a long track record of doing people right. I hear horror stories all the time about people buying from private individuals, someone they know nothing about, or these low-end dealers with 1 and 2 and 3-star reviews instead of the 4.8 like we have. They end up buying a vehicle that's got a salvage title they weren't told about, major flood damage they weren't notified of, major mechanical issues, bad transmission, bad engine, you name it, I've heard it all. So hey, if you want the 1 and 2 and 3-star experiences, you go ahead and deal with the general public and those low-end dealers. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for over a dozen years, I look forward to working with you. All right, back to the van. It does have the 1 key fob. If you want us to get additional keys made on your dime, we sure can. You push the remote start button though, the van will fire right up. It does have the remote start. That's a nice feature to have. As I open up the van, very nice, very clean in this van. I'm a non-smoker. I don't smell any signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. And if you want to do the doors manually, say you're going to use this van commercially, there's a button right up there. Make a manual, open and shut them quickly. The second row of seats are vinyl, so if you do get any spills or messes on these seats, they clean up real easy. Showing you a little different layout of the van as well. I like this key. It's a push button key, so if the key is in your pocket or your purse, all you have to do is get in, push the brake, push the start button, the van fires right up. A real nice safety feature. And no check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS, none of that. 34,405 miles. It's got a full tank of gas currently. I mentioned we have the backup camera as well. And I've got 3 mechanics currently working for me. We tested all the power mirrors, windows, and locks on this van. I'm going to show you those moving. We've tested heat, air, belts, hoses, cruise, suspension, steering, brakes, tires, taking these on a road test, replace fluids as necessary. My point is, we don't just run these through the car wash and throw them on the lot like most dealers do. They go through a very thorough inspection before they hit my lot, and I hope you can tell by my videos. We're very thorough in everything we do. Underneath the hood is a 3.6 V6 engine. Idle smooth, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and it purrs like a kitten. Underneath the van, much of the same. Very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident, no signs of any oil or fluid leaks, no signs of any rust from being up, in the rust belt, and no signs of any water damage from being in a flood. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it's got 34,000 miles on it, it's 2022, they assume it runs and drives good, they assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. That is the most dangerous thing you can do. I see brand new vehicles at auction all the time that have flood damage. They'll get flooded at the dealers. The dealer will just take it over to the auction, drop it off, leave it to be someone else's problem. So my point is, do not assume things. And what I want you to do, I want you to go check out my competition. I want you to ask yourself, do they show me the reputation online so I know I'm dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair? Do they show me a Carfax report so I know I'm buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, never been in a flood? They get on their hands and knees and even take pictures, much less a detailed video of the undercarriage, so you can see no signs of any flood or bad accident underneath the van till they get on the roof and show you there's no hail damage, no holes drilled in it from me, a previous taxi. I see so many vehicles at auction. The roof is all damaged up, but the sellers don't fix it because no one looks at the roof. You know who looks at the roof? Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility. That's who looks at the roof. So you tell me what ends up happening. If you end up buying a van that you can't get a title for because you're dealing with someone shady, or you get a bad frame, whether it's from a flood or an accident. In both of those cases, and in many more, after that happens, you can't register the vehicle, you can't drive it, you just bought a 4,000-pound paperweight. So to avoid those problems and so many more, I demand a detailed video like this, not some lazy 30-second walk around. Folks, you're not buying a pair of shoes off Amazon. This is a major purchase. Demand a detailed video. Second, demand that Carfax report. Carfax costs me thousands of dollars a month, but I do it because I want to know what I'm buying. I spend that extra money up front to protect myself. You better demand the same. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out their reputation and reviews. Don't be a lazy buyer. Lazy buyers get scammed. And then finally, demand a warranty. Like I mentioned, this meets the specs for the 3-year unlimited mile warranty. Still under the bumper warranty specs, along with the powertrain warranty specs as well. So do not risk buying as is, demand that warranty. And when it comes down to it, please compare me to the competition. I beg you, with all the things we offer, compared to the rest of the people out there, I welcome it. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know, whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Chrysler home. We've done our due diligence, we made sure it's roadworthy, pops up to 70 miles an hour in the blink of an eye, steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise, got the cruise control set, cruise works good. Do keep in mind, meets the specs to be under the full factory warranty from Chrysler, along with the conversion. We do sell long-term extended warranties that cover factory type warranty that go as far as 8 years. So talk to us about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers show a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print is $500 administrative fee. They got document fees, they have tag fees, they have freight, you name it, they have a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add the cost of all the shipping and all the hidden fees, that real nice price you saw online just jumped to $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about fees and shipping before you buy, or sit back, relax. Let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they have a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for, that in any business, but none more important than the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, to be 100% transparent with you. So keep that in mind when you're out shopping. Going to give the van a nice hard brake at the bottom of this ramp. You'll see no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration, all exactly what we're looking for. And if you'd like to give us a call, or preferably a text message, text is the best and easiest way to get a hold of us. That way anyone in the office can respond. But reach out to us at 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. That is a direct line to call or text us. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you a direct line to reach out to call or text the owner. Or do you get to call in and talk to an automated system and end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super aggressive, pushy, used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like a number by all these companies out there, and you just simply want to avoid that annoying used car salesman, give us a call, give us a text. We'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you, I'm going to sell this Voyager whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country. Excuse me. Whether standard or a mobility vehicle, get in touch with us. We can explain how that works. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address, and if computers aren't your thing, get in touch with us. We can take an application over the phone. And if you ever do want to come in and visit us, we welcome that, but we do require that you make an appointment. We have 3 different locations. We keep vans. Let us get the van or vans you want to look at in the proper location, get it ready for you, help save you and us time. Make that appointment, please. And if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but I also know it's a major purchase, so I'm trying to be as thorough as I possibly can. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with over 80 wheelchair accessible vans on the ground, ready to go with the best prices in the country, check out our website at www.mobility316.com. That's free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures of every vehicle, and no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the entire country. As always, thanks for checking out mobility316.com, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call or text us today and have yourself a wonderful day.